A taste of the world. Ever wondered what the world tastes like? Well, wonder no more. We're about to embark on a culinary journey that will take us across the globe. We'll explore the bustling street markets, where food vendors serve up delicious local delicacies. We'll dine in some of the most unusual and unique restaurants, where eating is more than just a meal, it's an experience. But that's not all. We'll also delve into the fascinating world of cultural food etiquette, discovering the diverse dining customs that make each culinary experience truly unique. So, get ready to savor the mouth-watering flavors of street food, to indulge in the rich aromas of Italian cuisine, and to appreciate the delicate art of eating sushi in Japan. This is not just about food. It's about culture, tradition, and a shared love for gastronomy. So buckle up, food lovers. Prepare your taste buds for a gastronomic adventure. Street food extravaganza. Imagine strolling down bustling lanes, the air filled with the tantalizing aroma of food being cooked right before your eyes. This is the essence of street food, a culinary universe in itself, a feast for the senses that brings together people from all walks of life. Street food is more than just a quick bite, it's a mirror that reflects a country's culture, tradition, and spirit through its flavors. Let's start our street food journey in Mexico, where the humble taco reigns supreme. Picture a soft, warm corn tortilla, generously filled with tender grilled meat, fresh cilantro, onions, and a squeeze of zesty lime. Each bite is a symphony of flavors that captures the vibrant heart of Mexican culture. Next, we travel to the bustling streets of India, home to pani puri, a popular street snack. Imagine a delicate, hollow, crispy ball filled with a blend of tangy tamarind water, spicy mint sauce, and a mix of chickpeas and potatoes. Each pani puri is a burst of flavors that encapsulates the diversity and vibrancy of Indian culture. Our next stop is Thailand, the land of pad thai. Picture a steaming plate of thin rice noodles stir-fried with succulent shrimp, tofu, or chicken, seasoned with tamarind paste, fish sauce, and chili, then sprinkled with crushed peanuts. This dish perfectly exemplifies the balance of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy flavors that is the hallmark of Thai cuisine. From the sizzling tacos of Mexico to the flavor-packed pani puris of India, to the harmoniously balanced pad thai of Thailand, each street food dish tells a story. It's a story about the people who make it, their traditions, their history, and their passion for food. It's a story that is passed down from generation to generation, a story that is intertwined with the very fabric of their culture. Street food is not just about the food, it's about experiencing the heart and soul of a culture. Unique dining experiences. Dining is not just about the food, it's also about the experience. Now let's switch gears and talk about some of the world's most unique dining experiences. First stop, Paris, France. Picture this. You're led into a dining room, completely shrouded in darkness. The waitstaff, all visually impaired, guide you to your table. This is Dans le Noir, a dining experience that challenges you to rely on your senses of taste, touch, and smell. Without the distraction of sight, every bite becomes a surprise, every flavor amplified. It's a culinary journey that goes beyond the plate, offering a fresh perspective on food and empathy. Next, we dive into the blue lagoons of the Maldives, where dining is taken beneath the waves. In the underwater restaurant, Itha, you dine surrounded by vibrant marine life. Savor a world-class meal as fish, sharks, and rays glide past the panoramic windows. This unique setting blends gastronomy with the awe-inspiring beauty of nature, creating an unforgettable dining experience. Now, let's climb up to the treetops in Thailand. The Suniva Kiri Resort presents the tripod dining experience. Nestled high in the canopy of Koh Kud's ancient rainforest, your private pod is hoisted up into the treetops. Your meal is delivered via a zip line by waiters defying gravity. As you dine, you're treated to breathtaking views of the bountiful nature and the azure ocean. It's dining in the heart of nature, an experience that truly feeds the soul. These unique dining experiences are more than just meals. They're a blend of culture, innovation, and a dash of audacity, served on a plate. They challenge our perceptions, engage our senses in new ways, and make us rethink what it means to dine. From dining in darkness, to feasting under the sea, to eating amidst the treetops, these experiences transform the act of eating into a memorable adventure. They're not just about satiating hunger, they're about feeding curiosity and creating stories that last a lifetime. These unique dining experiences take gastronomy to a whole new level. Cultural food etiquette. Food etiquette is a fascinating window into the traditions of a culture. Consider Japan, for instance. The sound of slurping your noodles isn't considered impolite, but rather a sign of appreciation for the chef. It's a testament to the deliciousness of the dish, and an audible compliment to the person who prepared it. Now, let's take a quick jaunt to France. This is a place where bread isn't just a side dish, it's an art form. Breaking bread here isn't done with a knife, but by hand. This tradition dates back centuries, a nod to the belief that bread is a gift from God and should be treated with respect. These are just a smattering of the nuanced food etiquettes from around the globe. Understanding and respecting these traditions can greatly enhance your dining experience and deepen your appreciation for the culture. Remember, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. The culinary journey ends. And so, our delicious journey comes to an end. We've traversed the globe, savoring the street food extravaganzas, indulging in unique dining experiences, and learning the intricate cultural food etiquettes. From the spicy street food stalls of Bangkok to the elegant French bistros of Paris, we've tasted it all. We've enjoyed crispy samosas in bustling Indian markets and savored the delicate flavors of sushi in serene Japanese gardens. We've dived into the rich and hearty cuisine of Germany, relished the fiery spice of Mexican tacos, and discovered the unique flavors of South African bunny chow. Each food tells a story, a tale of its people, their history, and their culture. Each bite is an experience, a moment of connection with a place far away. So, we encourage you, embark on your own culinary journey. Explore these foods, these experiences, for yourself. There's a world of flavor out there, waiting to be discovered. The world is a delicious place. Go, taste it.